Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done a video, so without further ado, let's get into the video. And today's video, I have an BTC update. So the last update is valid still. So if you want to check the last update, go to the channel and you can check out. And those in that video, I explained the key levels that should be watched. And in this video, I'll say what are things that I newly spot in the market and what could happen in recent days. So let's get into the video. So this is the chart that I used previously. Okay, so these are the key levels that I marked out, and you can see that we have this the, the market is currently trading around this 1,21,000 and 1,16,000. In previous video I told you that market could range in between this, so market is ranging. Okay, and also you can see that I spotted this pennant pattern here. Okay, you can consider as a symmetrical triangle also. So, and also you can see that this black line, okay, this is a good line. So I told you that if a pullback comes, it could come here. Okay, so the thing has happened here. Okay, now market is making a triangle here. Okay, it's compressing, the price is getting compressed. So either in both, okay, in any side it could blast. Okay, could blast in any side. So guys, if we break the blue line to the upside, okay, we can see price going for this 1,21,000. Okay, so we can have drop in this level also. Okay, I'll say why it could happen. Okay, and also you can see that if the market, okay, if the market broke to the downside, it could go for this 1,14,000 and 1,15,000 range, and it could bounce back. So if the market broke to the downside, I'm expecting for the market to broke to the downside, so it will be a healthy move for the upside. If the market broke to the downside, it could mitigate this 1,14,000 and 1,15,000 price range, and we can see a good bounce. Okay, I'll say the reason that I'm saying this 1,15,000 is, and the reason that I'm saying a rejection, if the market broke to the upside, we can see some rejection here. The reason I'm saying is, if you go to the BTC CME gap, okay, in past videos I have explained you, okay, in the last video I explained you, still we didn't fill this gap. Okay, see, we didn't still fill the gap. Okay, you see the gap is not filled yet. So you saw that market is making a symmetrical triangle or pennant pattern. So if it broke to the downside, it could mitigate and it could bounce to the upside. So it will be a healthy move. Okay, so if the market broke to the upside, then the market will be choppy. Okay, it will be like this, like the last month. Okay, like the June month, it will be choppy here. Okay, but if once it reaches this 1,15,000, we can expect market to rally higher as usual. Okay, as it did before. So let's go back to the BTC chart, and let's see what's happening. Okay, so that's all what I spot newly. Okay, that's all what I spot newly, because we are having some rejections in these levels. Okay, you can see that we have so much of rejections here. So this could be a good the scenarios that I told you is, if it broke to the upside, we can see rejections in 1,21,000, and it could drop to 1,15,000 because of the CME gap. Okay, if it broke to the downside, then it will be a healthy move for the price to go higher without any obstacle for downside. Okay, that's all I spot recently on the BTC chart. And also if you compare the dominance chart, okay, USD dominance chart, I have explained in last several videos. So still market is you can see that market, okay, see the market, it's still struggling in this 4.3 key level. Okay, see See the selling pressure. Every time, see the first time it broke, we had a good selling pressure. The second time it had, we had a good selling pressure. Okay, I mean, compared to the first one, the second one was less. So now market could go higher. So if you compare that with the BTC chart, then the breakout for the downside is expected, right? So it could go higher in the BTC chart. Okay, so I'm expecting for the dominant chart to go higher bit. Okay, go higher, can even go for this resistance here. Okay, and drop from there. It will be a good move. Okay, so since it has broke this resistance, this support is broken. Okay, it can go for a retest. Okay, then if it retests, then we can see a good selling in the USD dominance. So it's good for the Bitcoin. So guys, that's all I see in this market recently. So if I spot anything newly, I'll bring you another video. So until then, stay tuned and goodbye guys.